Hello kids. So today we are going to see the second half of this lesson. Okay. So in the previous video we saw the root system, and this video we are going to see the shoot system. So the part of the plant that is present above the soil is called the shoot system. Okay, it includes stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. Okay, so and which is visible to us, that is the shoot system, and which is not visible to us and which is present below the soil layer is a root system. Okay, that is we have already discussed in the previous video. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the stem that is present in the shoot system. Okay, what is the main function of the stem? The main function of the stem is for the plant to stand firmly. Okay, and the next thing is to carry the water and the minerals from the roots to all the leaves. Okay, and the next thing is after, okay, you already know the the leaves will prepare the food. Okay, after the leaves prepare the food, it will the stem will carry the fruit to all the parts of the body. Okay, parts of the plant's body. Okay, so now according to the stem size, it is differentiated into three types, that is tree, shrub and the herbs. So I have given an example. Okay, for tree, okay, example is a mango tree. We can keep it as a mango tree. So how a mango tree will look like? A mango tree will be very tall, it will be very strong, is it not? And one thing is the strong stem. Okay, the strong stem of the trees is called a trunk. Trunk, trunk. Okay, and the covering of the trunk, the skin of the trunk is called a bark. Bark, bark. Okay, so a tree will be very strong and tall, and the stem of this tree is called a trunk, and the covering of the trunk is called a bark. And the next is the shrubs. So how a shrubs will look like? They will have so many branches. The shrub will be little smaller than the trees, and it will have so many branches. Best example is rose. Even the stem can also the stem of this shrubs can stand upright like the trees. But the herbs stem will be very soft. Okay, and very important thing is the trees will live for many years. The trees will live for more than 100 years. But the shrubs will live for only few years. But the herbs will live only for few months. This is the main difference, and the stem size. Okay, the tree stem will be very strong and tall, and the shrub will be short and a little strong. But the herbs will be very small, as well as the stems will be very soft. And the next is the climbers and the creepers. So you would have already learned this in your third. That is, the climbers will need a support to grow, and the creepers will be growing in the ground. Okay, and the climbers best example is a money plant, and for the creepers best example is a pumpkin or a watermelon. And the next very important thing we are going to see is about the flowers. So once I say a word flower, what are all the things that will be popping out in your brain? That is, the flowers will be in different shapes, it will be in different colors. See, I have given so many images of the flowers. See, not all the flowers in same color, not all the petals are same look at like, so they are different, and even the fragrance from the flower will be different. See, some flowers are used for medicinal purpose, and some flower is used for the decorations, and we use some flowers in the festivals or in marriages. So these and even for gardens also we will use so many flowers. So, and also we get perfumes, medicine, and a very important thing is a sunflower. We get cooking oil from the sunflower plant only, that is sunflower. Okay, so these flowers are very helpful to us. And next is Do you know how a seed is formed? Okay, so see, even in this picture I have given a flowers, 3 flowers. That is, on every flowers there's a yellow powdery substance. Okay, so that is called pollens. Actually, this pollens is carried from one flower to another flowers by insects or birds or wind or water. Okay, how these pollens only will help the formation of fruit or the seeds. Okay, this is how a new fruit or a seed will be formed. Okay, so the pollens will be carried from one flower to another flower with the help of the insects. A best example is bees. Okay. Okay, I hope you understood all the things about the stem as well as about the flowers. Okay, thank you.